Hello guys and welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video we're going to talk about Mayex crypto exchange, which is one of the cheapest but one of the best crypto exchanges anywhere in the world. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so never invest any money that you can't afford to lose. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So jumping over to the website, which is linked down below as always, you can see that it looks fairly similar to other crypto exchanges that you've probably seen before, but this is all about the team that has basically built this platform. In the past, they've done work helping out platforms like Binance, etc. So a super impressive platform with loads of different features and exciting giveaways and stuff. And we're going to go through all of that in this video. So you can see right now the 24-hour trading volume is $1.6 billion, guys. This is an insane amount of volume. And obviously you want to trade on platforms that have good volume because it allows for good liquidity, and that allows you to be able to trade more effectively. They've got 108 trading pairs and 6+ liquidity providers, which is what you'd expect and more from any trading platform if you are into day and spot trading. They offer a variety of different trading methods. So first of all, you got spot trading. So if you're simply wanting to turn, say, Ethereum into Bitcoin or Cardano into Litecoin, then this is all done through this process. You can choose here to have it either quoted in USDT or BTC, depending on what is more suitable for you. So either what you'd need to do is deposit money from a credit card or whatever from your own country, or depositing crypto from other places or other wallets, exchanges that you hold crypto on, and then you can exchange it. What's so good about this is the spot trading is actually free, guys. So to exchange on other platforms, often you'll incur like a small fee, but exchanging on Mayex allows you to do that completely free, guys. So when you're seeing day-to-day different cryptos emerging that you want to take a chance on, this is where you come to do it, guys, because it's very difficult to find a platform that offers this kind of service but for free. You've also got derivative exchanges if you're into a day trading. We could either use USDT perpetual, and you can use any of these pairs here: BTC, Ethereum, ADA, or Litecoin. There's two types of derivatives. You've got USDT perpetual, and you've got all of the major pairs, in fact, and some of the less major pairs available for you to go and trade over here, offering obviously leveraged trading. So obviously, just a further disclaimer, if you're not aware of leveraged trading, then make sure you're using demo accounts, etc. before you're jumping in and using leveraged trading, because it can be very risky. You've also got inverse perpetual. So why I might use inverse perpetual over USDT, if for example I hold Ethereum and I expect that Ethereum is going to continue to go up over the next, let's say, 2 or 3 months that I want to be trading, then I'll be trading in Ethereum, because every time I'm winning money back, I'm winning money back in Ethereum. And if Ethereum itself is continuing to go up, then I'm obviously better off. Let's say in a bear market or just an uncertain time in general, and I'm not really sure what's going to happen to the overall price of, let's say, Ethereum or Litecoin over an extended period of time, then maybe I'll use USDT perpetual. So any profits I take out are in USDT, which is a stable coin and linked to the US dollar. So their fees are pretty much the lowest in the business, guys, and they're all about maximizing. So all you need to do, guys, to sign up, come over here, enter your email address and password, and you can create an account. I've already done that, so I'm just going to click on login here. Once you've signed in, guys, you can come up to here where you can see my user ID. Then you need to click down, and to send some funds over, you can click on deposit. As I mentioned, by signing up through the link down below, then there potentially will be a bonus for you. But all you then need to do is send USDT either through one of these chains. Now, obviously, it's important that you select the correct chain, whether that's the Ethereum or the Tron network, in order to make sure that your funds arrive. Once they're there, then, guys, you can go over to the derivatives platform where you can place a trade. And for today's example, I'm just going to use the Ethereum US dollar because it's one of my favorite trading pairs. Lots of volume, lots of stuff going on. Here at the top, you can see we can click different time frames. Each of these candles is then represented. So here we see 15 minutes. Each of these candles is 15 minutes. Now, this is not going to be a trading tutorial, guys. So I'm just going to show you how to place a trade on the platform, and I'm not going to take you through all the detailed analysis, of which there's plenty of videos available on YouTube. Okay, so we can see, let's say, for example, I'm looking at the Ethereum US dollar 15 minute, and I think the price is going to go towards a downside. Okay, so I'm going to look for a short. Now, if I want to place a trade, I need to come over here, and there's a few different ways in which I can do it. I can click on market. Now, what that means, if we look across to the side, lots of people will say, I want to sell at whatever price. Here we can see $3,020, or I want to buy at $3,020. And by market, it means I'm going to go and buy at the price that someone else has recommended. Limit means I can set the conditions and someone will buy at the price. But market is the easiest way to buy and sell trades at the current market value. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on market, and we can see that we've got various amounts of leverage. Now we see 20%, that's quite high in terms of leverage, so let's just drop it down to 4 just for this example. Obviously, as I've talked about with leverage, guys, be very careful. You can wipe out accounts extremely quickly and you're not going to get that money back. Let's just use a 4x for this. So if I put in a value here just of $25, for example, guys, at 4x is going to be $100. I'm then going to click on open short. So you can see down here, guys, got $100 in my account from bonus. And just to make the trade, we're going to go short, clicking on market, ensuring that our leverage is set to 5x or less because we don't want to over leverage ourselves. And then we can click on the amount. See, the value is in Ethereum. I know the price of Ethereum right now is around $3,021. So 0.1 Ethereum is going to be a $300 trade at 5x, which means I'm going to be leveraged $1,500, which is quite a lot considering I've only got $100 in the account. But if you want to learn about leveraging different sizes, etc., plenty of videos on YouTube. I'm just going to show you how to post a trade here by putting 0.1. And then here we got open short. Open long means I think it's going to go up. Open short, the red one thinks it's going to go down. So I'm going to click on open short. And as you can see now, my market order has been created. And clicking down below onto positions, you can see that we have an open position running the Ethereum US dollar 5x. It's a short and the amount is 0.15 Ethereum. Shows our profit and loss in terms of percentage or return on investment, and it tells me the liquidation price. And liquidation price, guys, is really key. What that means is because I've gone short, I'm expecting the price to drop. If the Ethereum price reaches $3,666, it's going to take my whole $100 away. Always be aware of what your liquidation price is, especially when trading crypto, because crypto can swing super aggressively in one direction or another. Right now, you can see the mark price, 3,020, and just because it's dropped, it started to go green, showing that I'm now in profit. If I want to close my trade, guys, there's 2 ways to do it. The easiest way is to click market, which will close it for the market rate, or if you want to create the market for someone else, you click on limit and then you put the price at which you want to sell it for. So for example, at the moment, the price is $3,020. If I then put the price at being like $3,014, it means when the price reaches $3,014, that will execute and someone will fill that trade for me. But if I want to close it just now because I think something's going to happen, I can just click on market, confirm, and you'll see it closes my trade. And whatever profit or loss I've taken will be edited on my account balance. Now, you're probably thinking this platform looks very similar to Binance, Bybit, VMix, loads and loads of other ones. But why would you want to choose Mayex? Well, I've already talked about the super low fees, guys, which separate them from anyone else. But not just that, guys, they were founded by 7 former Binance executives, and they're on a mission to make trading safer, more profitable, and to introduce competitive trading services to their clients. And what's key, you can see down below, guys, advantages over the other platforms. Spot trading is free on Binance, you pay 0.1%. Coinbase, for some reason, everyone uses, but it's super expensive, 0.4, 0.6%, FTX as well. Although you do get referral program bonuses, you'll get $5 if you refer your friends, and a deposit bonus up to $800, which is obviously huge, guys. If you want to go and learn to trade, potentially you can invest some of your own money, but you don't have to use that money. You can just use the deposit bonus to be trading with instead, as well as that contract trading. You can see prices super low. Overall, guys, this basically separates them as being the ultimate platform, in my opinion. Coming down to the robust systems, powerful trading engine, strongest wallet security, huge venture fund, 24/7 supporting, all things that you would experience on other platforms as well. It's key to know that this is obviously guys came from Binance, but kind of wanted to up the game on what Binance were already doing quite well. Binance is obviously a great platform, but this is cheaper, and ultimately we want to make more money, so the smaller the fees, the better. Been featured on media reports, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin.com, etc., and loads of other stuff here. They've also got a really good support team if you want to come across and find out more information from them. They'll always be there to support you if you need. Okay, guys, clicking on promotions, you can see that there is welcome bonuses, which I just mentioned, and that's something that makes it very exciting, because if you join up today through the link down below in the description, you have potentially an $800 deposit waiting for you in Bitcoin. The first deposit currency is Bitcoin. Get a 5% bonus of the value of the deposit up to $800 US. Tether, obviously 5% to make $800, quite a lot of money. You don't have to deposit that much money, guys, if you don't want to, but you will get a percentage of whatever you put in. So if you put in $100, $5, if you put in $1,000, you get $50. I haven't seen any bonuses quite as good as this anywhere on the market. As well as that, there's ongoing bonuses for trading different currency pairs, etc, etc. Come over, look at their Twitter, guys. You can give them a follow. There might be opportunities to win some giveaways, etc. And as well as that, keeping up with what's happening in the crypto markets. Right now, everyone's not really paying much attention to crypto because it's kind of going down and maybe a bit boring. The cool thing about leverage trading and derivatives trading platforms is that you can make money when the markets are going down as well as when the markets are going up. Obviously, be very careful. I'm not telling you to go and rush in without learning about trading and taking plenty of time to practice. But worth coming over here, guys. Take a look, see what's going on, give them a follow. So just to recap, guys, Mayex is one of the largest, cheapest, and best crypto exchanges anywhere on the internet. If you want to go and check them out after this video, there's a link down in the description, which also has a bonus gift for anyone who signs up today. If you got any value out of today's video, then make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We really appreciate it when you do. And if you are new to ICO Investor and you have not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be kept up to date with all the latest happening in NFTs, crypto, and the metaverse. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.